Hey everyone, welcome back to Beyond Boundaries. I'm your growth guide, and if you're in your 60s or planning ahead, today's episode is for you. We're diving into 10 common financial mistakes that can quietly hold you back from enjoying the freedom you've worked so hard for. Because let's be honest, your 60s should be about living fully, not worrying constantly. Let's make sure your money decisions reflect the life you truly deserve. 1. Not having a spending plan. At this stage, every shilling or dollar should serve a purpose. Example, in Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin, she reminds us that money should align with your values, not just expenses. A simple monthly plan keeps you from drifting and helps you sleep better at night. 1. Ignoring healthcare costs. Healthcare can be unpredictable. Example, a friend in Nairobi told me how one unexpected surgery used up most of her retirement savings. Tip, set aside a health emergency fund early. It's not fear-based, it's freedom-based. 1. Relying too much on one income source. Even in retirement, it's good to have multiple streams. Example, in The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, diversification isn't just a strategy, it's protection. Consider small investments, consulting work, or digital projects. 1. Supporting adult children without boundaries. Love your kids, yes, but don't fund their lifestyle at the expense of your peace. Example, a couple I met in Mombasa ended up selling their home to help a child start a business. 5 years later, they were renting. Set loving, healthy financial limits. Being overly conservative with investments. Keeping everything in low-interest savings sounds safe, but inflation quietly eats away at your money. Tip, a mix of stable funds and growth options can protect your purchasing power. Forgetting about estate planning. Avoid confusion later. Get a will or update it if needed. Example, in The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey, he emphasizes that real freedom includes planning for what comes next. Carrying debt into retirement. High-interest loans or credit balances can drain your energy and resources. Tip, make a repayment plan or consult a financial coach for restructuring. Not planning for longevity. People often underestimate how long they'll live and how long their money needs to last. My mentor, a retired banker, once said, "Plan as if you'll live to 95. If you don't, you'll leave a blessing behind." Delaying joy and purpose. Money is meant to serve you. Travel, start that garden, volunteer, paint, dance, do what fills your heart. Example, in Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life, the authors remind us that purpose is the best investment. Failing to keep learning. Your financial education shouldn't retire when you do. Read, attend free webinars, listen to money podcasts, or talk to a financial advisor who respects your vision. So, whether you're already in your 60s or getting close, remember, it's never too late to make smarter moves. Every small shift you make today creates more peace, stability, and joy tomorrow. If this video spoke to you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone planning for retirement. I'm your growth guide, and this is Beyond Boundaries, where we learn to grow wiser, live freer, and build a legacy that truly lasts. See you on Wednesday.